If you don't do it right, you may end up, guys, doing the job again or spending hundreds on new parts, and we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series and you're trying to find the serpentine belt diagram. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today about common mistake people make when replacing serpentine belt. Actually two mistakes that can actually cause quite a bit of damage and hundreds of dollars in repairs, guys. All that will be covered in this video today. We'll demonstrate on 528i, but it should work on 520 as well, and other engines may use very similar diagram as well. Before we start, let me tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And on this BMW 5 Series, we'll have even more, taking the engine apart, transmission, the whole body. We'll be taking the whole car apart. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So what do we have here, guys? Now our serpentine belt just snapped. Check this thing out. We made a special video that explains how often you should replace serpentine belt or when to replace serpentine belt. Check out the video, will be on our channel. Also about the channel, how long you can drive. We have a video on the channel that says how long you can drive without serpentine belt, if you want to know about that as well, because when the serpentine belt falls off, you may not be really close to a garage or a parts store where you can buy one. This is the new belt. Now before we start, guys, let me tell you something. Always use good quality belts. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy one from. When replacing the belt, always replace the tensioner as well. That's number one thing, number one mistakes people make. Inspect the crankshaft pulley and make sure you don't have any play in it as well. That's known as harmonic balancer as well. We're going to go ahead and install it on the crankshaft pulley first. Okay, you can see it will go to the crankshaft pulley. So slowly we just align it there. Next, we're going to go ahead and get it on the alternator on top through the tensioner pulley. We'll make sure that, okay, one second, okay, that it goes there. And now I'm going to go ahead and attempt to put it on. Now don't release, no, not yet. Let's go a little bit more. I want to show you something now. Make sure that the belt, okay, ours is perfect now. Make sure that it aligns, because in some cases that belt may come off one tooth to the inside or outside, and if that happens, that belt eventually will start falling apart. And if it's a new belt, it will be pretty strong, but the end piece will be rubbing in the timing covers, and that can, guys, cause pieces of the belts to get stuck in the front crankshaft seal behind that pulley. That will cause the crankshaft seal to fail. You can destroy AC, clutch, and in some cases alternators as well, and that can cost you quite a bit of money to fix, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. You can see it goes from crankshaft pulley, AC compressor, alternator, then tensioner, and go back to the crankshaft pulley. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.